So I'm here in the Philippines for 7 days stranded. No food, no water, and I need to survive on my own without any cameraman, without anyone to assist me. And I need to survive. And look at this here. That's some scat. That's some poo. If I really had to, I would squeeze the juices out of that and be able to survive and drink that water out the juice of the poo. If I really had to. But I'm not. Otherwise, there's other things you can do to survive. These right here are coconuts. Up there, I could live off the coconut, off the meat, off the coconut juice. I could probably live off that for a few days, stay hydrated. But the problem is, coconut juice is a diuretic, and eventually you would get diarrhea. And diarrhea out in the wilderness is not good. Now my problem here is, how do I get up that tree? That's a good 30 feet high. What I could do is wait for the coconuts to fall, such as this one. Such as this one here. Or what I can also do is find some tinder. What you do is you open that up and use the tinder to start a fire. That's how I would survive, because I'm Survivorman.